fucking old dad that I am. Speaking of which, thank you guys for watching Old Dads, man. It's been fucking killing.
Is that an exit regret?
You guys got people out here in Hollywood.
I'm gonna say it was.
Tinseltown.
Because, yeah, there's been signs saying that the right lane's exit only for like the last 2 miles.
Not to be confused with Robert Downey Jr., who, as far as I know, really believes in climate change.
Yeah. He actually experienced like a pretty horrible tragedy. This guy named Thanos destroyed half the population of the universe. We had some positive climate implications.
Oh, shit. What the fuck?
It's not
the way to do it.
Right.
I was well ahead of you.
He also published an article called CO2 Increase Could Upgrade Science. I don't know if he's just a science teacher or if he teaches. When I was in 5th grade, we just have a teacher for everything. The main thing that I can find out about
Exit
him
dive,
is that
all the way from the left lane.
Teaching 5th grade, this guy's got a degree in political science. His DSMOG page was so long, I was like, I'm not reading this whole thing.
He's
nice cutoff over there.
He writes a bunch of books.
He does.
I remember, I have a name.
Benefit plan. I'm going to have you read this section right here. It's a little bit long, but I think it's worth reading the whole thing.
All right. Rising CO2's effect on crops could also harm human health. We know unequivocally that when you grow food at elevated CO2 levels in fields, it becomes less
both lanes taking to the same place. Why don't you move over there?
Scientist in environmental health at Harvard. If the point of the gotcha guys was to get scientists to say plants eat CO2,
they got him.
You got them, yeah. You gotta actually ask a middle school student.
What?
Who just
You got a
that
whole
bio
lead-up
unit
lane to merge in there.
And also,
so I have to slam on your brakes in the middle of the highway.
Of 540.
Watch the dog show. There's the Macy Day Parade. There's another game going on, right? And I'm going to be that guy just sitting in the corner.
Exit dive.
Like I'm wearing a wire.
Okay, at least that's a better exit dive than the last one.
Open his fucking shirt, and then that's it. I'm in the fucking East River.
No, stop.
The NBA on Christmas.
Rhubarb. Freeze corn, obviously.
You freeze corn. I think you flood
Soybeans.
rhubarb.
Oh, okay, flood rhubarb.
And fire soybeans.
Nice cutoff. Both.
Institute for
The Institute for Pest
Saving, and also.
Why are you slowing down
bribe.
so much?
You shouldn't use the word bribe in your institute.
Whoa, that's a bad cutoff up there. Holy shit.
Great. And it's not just a problem of the pests that are already issues with plants.
And you're just on the shoulder being an idiot.
Animal migration into cooler zones,
but quite a lot of more warming.
More warming is really not good for plants.
Douchebag.
Once the temperature gets too hot, plants. If you take this to its logical conclusion, and we haven't had the whole world to use as a laboratory for this, obviously, thank God.
We've been able to
But in
nice cutoff.
Yeah,
Connecticut.
This has been demonstrated, where basically when you turn up the temperature, that increases the process of cell.
Oh, you're an asshole. You're on the shoulder now. I thought that was an exit dive, but no, you're even more douchey.
Is when a plant uses the
I'm glad I don't live in Connecticut no more. I'm going to have to put up with you assholes. Oh, look, a cop when you need him, but he ain't going to do shit. Yeah, what the? Well, good. You deserve to get cut off. Good job. And I mean that sincerely.
More temperate crops like lettuce. You can imagine baking
oh, and the exit dives too.
Counter.
Wow.
It's cooked.
I don't know anything about the.
You are not smart.
Which plants are going to.
You know what? I don't know why Sheila divorced you.
She met a massage therapist and strong hands.
The climate deniers.
Don't turn on red.
Williams, that's me.
And me, Nicole Cox.
Nicole, we're saved.
That's a right turn only lane. Right turn only lane, and you're kind of stuck there because you're an idiot.
Recording this first thing on a Saturday morning because our schedules are horrible to line, and I hate to start your weekend with a Tucker Carlson.
Red light run, red light run, red light run, and you're, what the fuck are you doing? You almost took out that biker guy. What the?
You almost took out that biker guy.
The fuck? Wait, did they crash? It's hard to tell.
Here.
Right.
I don't think he's trying to send you to Spencer's Gifts specifically, or maybe
Well,
he is. I
you
don't
gotta
know.
get a blacklight poster of a cat sitting under a mushroom.
Yeah.
Backup of shame
but
up there.
there's, like, a lot of
Backup
issues
of
with
shame. What were you doing in the middle of the intersection like an idiot?
You need to be running the air conditioning all the time, just like you would with heat. So that is sort of a weird dichotomy that he's drawing. For
Red
me.
light run,
Yeah,
red light
it's
run,
also
red,
like-
red, 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 red light run.
This is exactly what happened in the life of Dennis Prager.
Mhm.
He gets a subscription to USA Today because of fucking course he does.
Red light
Through
run,
this
red
article,
light run,
already
and there was an
agrees with
ambulance
it,
coming
so he-
too, you douchebag. Let's hope it wasn't your mother that had the heart attack or whatever the hell is going on there.
Imagine not caring whether you appear interesting to other people on a podcast.
And he's making the claim that global warming is saving lives.
Yeah.
And I think it's time that we talk a little bit
What did you
about how
achieve by
climate
doing
change
that?
and all
Really?
of the things that it's changing.
And so that's how we should think about climate policy. It's either recklessly ignorant because heat deaths and cold deaths are not the totality
Really?
of climate deaths.
You're an
or
idiot.
It's willfully
Start
Yeah.
merging and then
Yeah.
signal, because
And
that's how I know where you're going.
Also, it ruins
Really?
quality of life for a lot of people.
that he just said he didn't believe.
Yeah.
So like, this man is not concerned about the facts. This man is like, it doesn't matter what's real. I have a narrative. I will fulfill the narrative. And also,
Ah, nice cutoff.
climate change is a complex.
Disasters and extreme events that we
Really?
can't be as safe as we used to. And
Nope.
the fact that we are not prepared for these things and can't prepare for every event.
Lions and Packers. That kid for the Packers got a cannon. I saw him running for his fucking life to the right, throws it all the way, all the
Oh.
way, all the way, all the way over to the
Jeez,
other
yeah,
side
he
of the
cut off
field.
that
The fucking
guy.
ball
That
was
blue-
in the air.
It was the blue car that fucked up.
Over the desert.
It's-
It'll creep into the
It'll
desert.
creep into the desert. We'll be able to grow more food with less water, and as
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be here. And it's for real, because we're in Jersey on I-80. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be here. What the hell are you doing? Stop it! Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!